Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt. And ngayong araw nga, no, napaisip ako ano nga ba ang isang tunay na Pinoy? Well, that's the reason why we have this video right now. So today, we are gonna scroll sa internet no, to find things that makes us Pinoy. How does it feel like minus 30 degrees in Canada? Nagyelo yung tubig within 10 seconds. No?
Negative 30 degrees dito sa amin sa Grand Prairie, Alberta today. And meron akong papakita sa inyo. So, bottled water yan, right? So, ito
10
yung
seconds
snow.
lang.
Ganyan sa kataas right now. Sobrang dami talagang snow. So, ilalagay ko to at tingnan nyo.
Kapag na, no?
Bibilang tayo ng 10 seconds ha.
Sorry, what the fuck is this? Is this a car? Na nalubog sa yelo? Dayom.
Para dito. Okay, nilagay ko na. So,
Okay.
let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tingnan natin kung mag-i-snow ba talaga yung ano, or kung
Okay.
mag-i-yellow ba talaga yung tubig. Kasi negative 30. Kunin ko na ha. Taran! Guys, tingnan nyo, oh! Nag-yellow talaga! Grabe, ang lamig talaga.
Yo, what the fuck?
Snow ba talaga yung ano, or kung mag-yellow ba talaga yung tubig. Kasi negative 30. Kunin ko na.
What the fuck? Iba. Nagko tayo dito ni ate. Ibang butas. Ito yung pinaglagyan niya ng yelo kanina eh. Ay, ng yelo tuloy. What the hell? Ng tubig. Tapos ito ibang butas. Dito na to kanina pa. What the fuck do you mean?
Guys, tingnan nyo, oh! Nag-yellow talaga! Grabe, ang lamig talaga.
Grabe, ang
10
lamig.
seconds lang yun, ha?
Right, yeah. I mean, isa yun sa katangian ng mga Pinoy, no? Harap-harapan ka ng ginagago, pero tumatawa ka pa rin. Nagkagago tayo na. What the hell? Yellow daw, 10 seconds. Balik kita Bretman Rock reveals most disappointing celebrity encounter was with Vanessa Hudgens. Okay? Meron?
Most disappointing celebrity encounter? You don't have to name them.
VH.
Okay.
Bitch, who else has a fucking name? Vanessa Hudgens, bitch.
Oh,
You don't have to name them. Anyway.
I don't like her. Like, literally.
Wait, you guys met?
What is the
I met her at Coachella and we have to go
Pilipinas iba na sa Hudgens, di ba? Oh, hindi. I mean, sorry. Akala, di ba yun sa High School Musical?
to the Sugar Bear house to pick up our tickets
Mm.
to go to Coachella. And she was there and she was talking to the CEO of Sugar Bear Hair. And I
Sugar
was
Bear
friends
Hair.
with the Sugar Bear Hair CEO because I remembered her talking to him, but obviously I was trying to get his attention. So I'm like waving. I'm like, I forgot his name, honestly. I was like, maybe, let's just say it was Chris. Like, Chris! Like waving at him.
Yeah.
And not at her. And she like literally like looks at me and it like tries to hide. I'm like, first of all, I'm not saying hi to you. I was always Team Sharpay. Second of all, bitch, you're not even Mexican. You're a motherfucking not.
Uh-huh.
And third of all, bitch, I'm not a fan. Like and then don't
Okay.
know who she was. And she grabs her hand and makes her stand in front of her, like to kind of like block.
Block her.
What?
Yes, because at that point, like I was walking towards them. She's been like the Coachella queen, whatever that
Right,
means.
yeah.
Yeah.
I still don't give a fuck. I still don't give a fuck. I was not fucking saying hi to you,
Yeah,
Vanessa.
yeah.
There's no reason for you to be hiding or having to have your
Yeah,
assistant
no,
hide
that's
you.
rude, yeah.
Because the only ones here are the ones invited.
That were invited.
Like, girl, we have the same rate. We're getting
Mm-hmm.
it's not like you're getting an artist pass and I'm getting a general. We're getting the
Right,
same
right,
pass.
right, right.
Mm-hmm.
And I know time and place. You're not above me. I'm not under you. And
Yeah.
that's just that on that.
Damn.
Yeah, I mean, to tell you honestly, after High School Musical, parang wala na akong movies or something na na parang sumikat na bagay na ginawa ni Vanessa Hudgens after nung High School Musical. No? So, yeah, I mean, yung sinasabi ni Bretman dito na hindi naman siya above kay Bretman is kind of true, no? Pero totoo naman yun, nakakaurat nga rin talaga yung gano'n. Like, meron kang, yung parang makakita ka ng tao na parang feeling niya napakataas niya sa lahat. Parang sobrang above niya sa lahat ng tao, no? Sarap minsan sampalin eh. Certified, Filipino things. Pag ikay sobrang salty, like sobrang petty, nasabi mo na ikaw talaga ay toong Pilipino, no? No, man. Well, I don't know why we're here, no? This is a great photo, no? This is a great photo. I don't have any problem with this photo at all. So we have here a photo of, the one and only Wally Bayola, sama ang kanyang bagong pamilya. And, man, the comments on this picture is killing me. Pag dyan siya nahuli, baka siguro blurred pa. What the fuck? Bold ni Wally. Mawi-wawi. Yup. Ang likot ng imahinasyon ko, sorry. So, yung lalaking bata ang produkto ng cream puff ni Wally? What the fuck? I mean, nakapaisip ko nga rin naman talaga, no? Kasi medyo malaki na yung bata, but for you to comment this, man. By the way, again, it's a great photo. I mean, alam naman natin, no? Nagkatuluyan din talaga si Wally and yung babe na si Yosh. Josh, sabihin ko, si Yosh, no? But again, sa mundo ng meme, no? Wally Bayola is isa sa mga legends and alam niyo na kung bakit. Alam niyo, most probably karamihan sa mga kabataan ngayon hindi na naabutan yon, no? Yung mga panahon na hindi pa uso yung mga 4K na mga 4K na kuha ng mga mga homemades. But yeah, Wally is a legend, no? I don't know why I'm doing this. Hindi ako komportable na andito tayo. Natawa lang ako sa nakita ko itong post na to. Hindi nakita ko itong mga comments na to. And there's a lot of crazy, insane comments dito, no? But yeah, it's a great photo, no? Most probably, a wonderful family, but yeah. Sana nga sa Honolulu sila punta.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Yeah, I mean, sa talagang tunay na Pinoy pag ikay napaka-cultured, no? No? Alam mo ang kultura, no? Pinagpapatuloy mo ang kultura na sinimulan. No? Isa kang tunay na Pinoy. Wedding. Okay? Hardworking. Hardworking. Isa kang tunay na Pinoy kung isa ang hardworking na tao. Doesn't matter. Wala akong pakikasal nyo yan. I know it's the most important day, one of the most important day of your life, but it's your life. It's not mine. So, I need to get that bag, man. Binigyan ako ni father ng deadline para ayusin to. Don't give a fuck kung kinakasal kayo, no? Kailangan kong ayusin to. Oh, this video. Okay. I mean, napanood ko na to actually. Which is, papanoorin pa natin ngayon, no? So, let's go.
Huwag na magsigawan. Sino ka? Ulo, sino mo? Huwag na magsigawan. Sino ka?
Kuya, uusog lang kayo kasi may bata.
Bakit ka lang mo ikaw lang may malasakit? Ulo.
Usog lang po kayo, hindi naman kayo inaano. Pakialam ko ba sa dala
Pakialam ko
mo?
sa'yo. Sino nakikita mabigat yan, gago?
Pakialam ko nga sa dala mo. Dala ko ba yan?
I mean, alam natin na during like around New Year, Pasko, nagkaroon ng palibreng sakay si MRT, right? And again, of course, marami nag-take advantage itong bagay na to. I mean, nung nakaraan pa to eh. Again, nakita nyo sa video, December 31st, 2025. And buong si Kuya ayaw magpaupo. Ang dami niyang dalang bagahe, no, because of that. I mean, hindi naman sa ayaw magpaupo, pero kailangan kasing iurong niya yung mga gamit niya or umurong siya para makaupo yung tao. Kasi diba, daming ang gamit. But yeah, I mean, that is unfortunately one of the certified Pinoy, characteristics. Minsan, mga kupal din talaga tayo. Minsan, mga kupal din talaga tayo, no? Hindi natin naiiwasan magkupal kahit saang lugar, no? And katulad ni Kuya, na di natin pagkakailan na isang tunay na kupal, no? Alam mo yung nakakaasa talaga yung minsan yung mga taong hindi mo madaan sa maayos na usapan or like reason, yung logical na reason. Alam mo yon? Tapos piling pa nila sila yung tama. Yun yung man. Minsan di mo alam kung kulang ba sila sa buwan nung pinanganak sila eh, no?
Wag na ho, ate. Wag niyo na. Mag-Filipino na lang. Wala akong palilisol ba yan?
Bakit ka talaga, kuya? O talaga, kuya, wag mo kong tinatakot.
Ano mo rin, gago?
Ikaw yung unang
Wala
nagpara
akong
sa
pakil
akin.
sa'yo!
Wala
Ano
akong
ka usapin,
pakil
siraulo ka! Hindi ko lang ipag-usap sa siraulo! Kung hindi niyo po
Alright, hindi na yung pag-usap sa siraulo, yung siraulo. Nice! If I become rich, tahimik lang pero there will be signs. Alright? Mina tahimik lang pag naging mayaman but there will be signs. Okay.
Oh, Kuya Juan.
God damn. Sobrang na-enjoy ko talaga itong mga content ni Davao Conyo. But yeah, I mean, wala akong isang AirPods, no? But yeah, I mean, that's isa yan sa mga certified Filipino characteristics, no? O pagyabang, di ba? Pinoy pride, no? Pinoy pride. Mayabang tayo. Saying yes to my suitor in front of the house. Ito yung movie ni, Daniel Padilla tsaka ni, ito yung Bernardo, right? The House of Us? So, ito yung, okay, sa harapan siya ng bahay.
Kaya nga, di ba sabi ko, dali mo ako sa sala. Ilabas mo ako sa sala. Gawin sa aso. Jowa ko, guys.
Panis! Ay, kung, panis mo, eh. Man, alam mo yung tipong patagal na patagal, palayo siya ng palayo, tapos pawoling siya ng pawoling, Parang gago. Ano ka? Parang gago. Patagal na patagal, palayo siya ng palayo, no? Pero man, that's fucking wholesome, no? Kinilig siya, eh.
Oo nga.
Uy, naiiyak, boy. Let's go. Damn. Man. Isang kababayan natin ang mukhang masaya ang pagpasok ng New Year. No? Ayam, no? That's wholesome. Nice. Yup, that is a certified Filipino moves, no? Characteristics, mapagmahal, no? Ang mga Pilipino is tunay na mapagmahal talaga. Yup. Mukhang naramdaman ko na talaga kung anong tunay na Pinoy, no? Paano maging tunay na Pinoy, man. Bro's translation is not accurate. Okay? So, ito yung mga vlogger na pupunta ng Pilipinas for views. No, joke lang. Let's go.
I don't know what you're saying. I don't speak your language.
Hey, crazy, bro.
He's crazy? Can you tell him I don't know what he is saying?
I mean, at least pinipilit ng bata, no? Na English, right?
Hey, you're crazy. Fuck you, bitch.
Mga Pilipino talaga matulungin, no? Hindi natin mawawala sa sarili natin yan. Hindi natin alam minsan kung tama ba yung pagtulong natin, pero at least matulungin tayo. Right? 23 years later, after 4 attempts, he finally received his long-time prayer. So... Wow, that's, I mean, yung emosyon niya doon, no? Like, genuine na kasiyahan. Man. Kaya. Maluha-luha naman ako doon. Yung ano niya, ulit natin yun. Like, yung reaction niya, sobrang genuine. Kung gano'n siya sa kasaya. Like, look at this. Di ba? Like, all of the struggles like, sa 23 years na yon, no? Finally, Damn, man. Oh, man. I mean, we're gonna end the video there, no? Kasi I feel like magandang ender yon, no? Na mga Pilipino talaga is hopeful and hindi sumusuko, no? And mataas ang pangarap at lagi nangangarap. But yeah, that's our video for today. That is a roller coaster of videos or set of videos na meron tayo. But I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope kayo din nahanap nyo na kung ano ba ang meaning ng pagiging isang Pinoy, no? But see you on the next one. Guys, have a great day.